The Panic of 1907 was a terrible event when stocks on the Wall Street fell to their lowest point. In October 1907 there was a great panic because two big banks, Trust Company and Knickerbocker Bank, could not withdraw customer funds, resulting in an extraordinary panic in the American people wanting to withdraw their savings funds. Before the incident happened, Augustus Hines, a copper businessman from Montana, had a scheme planned for speculators in United Chopper shares along with Otto, brother Hines. They lobbied a lot of bankers on Wall Street. On August 14, 1907, plans began to aggressively buy United Chopper's shares. Overnight it increased from $39 to $54. According to Otto Hines's calculations it would work, but on the 16th of October 1907 the shares closed at $30 and fell to $10. They miscalculated this. As a result of their speculation, United Chopper was declared bankrupt because its shares fell. In the end, August Hines's State Savings Bank in Montana went bankrupt, with most of its shares in United Chopper. The domino effect of this spread to trust finance companies who were reluctant to lend money to brokers on the stock exchange, causing shares to drop 70%, and unable to get money. Why trust finance is reluctant to lend money? Because they also have the same problem, namely many customers want to withdraw their money. Fresh wind came. JP Morgan issued $100 million to the banks on Wall Street. This allowed the banks to keep it and part of it was distributed to the public. After that incident, JP Morgan and the United States government made negotiations to create a Central Bank of America that at that time, the Second Bank of America as the last central bank in 1833 was closed. After going through an inter-Congress vote, and it was agreed to establish the Fed as America's central bank, it was signed by President Woodrow Wilson. The conclusion is that capitalization that is too greedy makes people forget that there are many people living under capitalization and were affected by the domino effect of the 1907 panic that made them layoffs, prices of goods rose, and inflation was high.